Despite the common belief, wealth isn't just about luck or inheritance. In fact, there are specific strategies and principles that the rich follow diligently to build and preserve their wealth. Keep watching today as we will tell you money secrets only the rich follow, unveiling the key principles behind their financial prosperity. Number 5. Investing in assets, not liabilities. When it comes to managing money like the rich, one key principle they follow is investing in assets, not liabilities. But what exactly does that mean? Well, let's break it down. Assets are things that put money in your pocket, like real estate, stocks, or owning a business. On the other hand, liabilities are things that take money out of your pocket, such as buying expensive cars or gadgets that lose value over time. Now, why do the wealthy prioritize assets over liabilities? It's simple. Assets have the potential to generate passive income or increase in value over time, whereas liabilities often drain your finances. For example, investing in rental properties can provide you with a steady stream of rental income, while the value of the property appreciates. Similarly, owning stocks in successful companies can lead to dividends and capital gains, further growing your wealth. By focusing on acquiring assets that generate income or appreciate in value, the rich build a solid foundation for long-term financial success. It's not about flashy purchases or keeping up with the latest trends. It's about making strategic investments that will pay off in the future. So if you want to follow in their footsteps, start by prioritizing assets over liabilities in your financial decisions. Number 4. Multiple streams of income. Now let's talk about another key strategy the rich use to build their wealth: having multiple streams of income. But what does that mean exactly? Well, it's all about not putting all your eggs in one basket. Instead of relying solely on one source of income, like a job, the wealthy diversify their earnings. So how do they do it? They might have income coming in from various sources, such as their salary from a job, rental income from properties they own, dividends from stocks, or royalties from creative works. By diversifying their income sources, they spread out their risk and create a more stable financial foundation. But it's not just about stability. Having multiple streams of income also accelerates wealth accumulation. Think about it. If one source of income isn't performing well, they have other streams to fall back on. Plus, each additional stream of income adds to their overall earning potential, allowing them to grow their wealth faster. Overall, having multiple streams of income provides financial security and flexibility. It's like building a safety net for your finances, ensuring that you're not overly reliant on any single source of income. So if you're looking to emulate the financial success of the rich, consider diversifying your income streams and opening up new avenues for earning money. Number 3. Long-term mindset. This mindset isn't just about making quick gains. It's about laying the groundwork for sustainable wealth over time. The wealthy understand that true financial success is not achieved overnight, but is rather the result of consistent effort and strategic planning. One of the hallmarks of this long-term mindset is patience. Instead of seeking instant gratification, the rich are willing to wait for their investments to mature and for their financial decisions to bear fruit. They recognize that building wealth is a journey that requires perseverance and resilience in the face of challenges and setbacks. This patience is especially evident in their approach to investments. Rather than engaging in frequent buying and selling, which can be driven by short-term market fluctuations or emotions, the wealthy take a more measured approach. They carefully research and select investments that align with their long-term financial goals, and once they've made a decision, they stick with it even during periods of market volatility. Another key aspect of the long-term mindset is the ability to avoid impulsive financial decisions. The wealthy understand the importance of maintaining a disciplined approach to money management, even when faced with tempting opportunities or pressure from external factors. They recognize that succumbing to impulsive decisions can derail their long-term financial plans and jeopardize their overall wealth-building efforts. One of the most powerful wealth-building tools that the rich leverage is the concept of compounding. They understand that by reinvesting their earnings, they can harness the power of compounding to exponentially grow their wealth over time. Whether it's through dividends from stocks, interest from bonds, or rental income from properties, The wealthy prioritize reinvesting their earnings to maximize their long-term financial growth potential. The long-term mindset is a cornerstone of wealth building. It's about having the patience to weather the ups and downs of the financial markets, the discipline to stick to a carefully crafted investment strategy, and the foresight to prioritize long-term financial goals over short-term gains. By adopting this mindset, you too can set yourself on the path to financial success and security. Number 2. Continuous learning and adaptability. Now let's shift our focus to another crucial aspect of financial success: continuous learning and adaptability. The wealthy understand that the world of finance is constantly evolving, and to stay ahead, they prioritize lifelong learning. Whether it's staying updated on market trends, understanding new investment strategies, or honing their financial literacy, they are committed to expanding their knowledge base. But it's not just about acquiring knowledge, it's also about being adaptable. The rich are quick to recognize market changes and are not afraid to pivot their strategies accordingly. Instead of clinging to outdated methods or being resistant to change, they embrace new opportunities and adjust their approach as needed. This flexibility allows them to stay agile in an ever-changing financial landscape. Take, for example, successful entrepreneurs like Warren Buffett or Elon Musk. Despite their already considerable wealth and success, they continue to prioritize learning and adaptation in their financial journeys. Buffett is known for his voracious reading habits and his willingness to admit when he's made mistakes, while Musk is constantly pushing the boundaries of innovation and disrupting traditional industries. These examples serve as a reminder that continuous learning and adaptability are not just strategies for financial success. They're also mindsets that can propel you forward in your own financial journey. So don't be afraid to invest in your education, stay open to new ideas, and be willing to adapt to changing circumstances. It's the key to staying ahead in the game of wealth building. Number 1. Strategic budgeting and financial planning. One of the most fundamental secrets to financial success is strategic budgeting and financial planning. It's like the blueprint for building wealth. The wealthy understand that every dollar counts and that a well-thought-out financial plan is essential for achieving their goals. At the heart of this strategy is budgeting. It's about knowing exactly where your money is going and making intentional decisions about how to allocate it. This means creating a realistic budget that takes into account your income, expenses, and financial goals. Whether it's paying off debt, saving for retirement, or investing in the stock market, a budget helps you prioritize your spending and stay on track. But budgeting is just the beginning. The wealthy also know the importance of sticking to their financial plan. It's about discipline and self-control. They resist the temptation to overspend or indulge in unnecessary purchases, staying focused on their long-term goals instead. In addition to budgeting and discipline, strategic financial planning also involves savvy saving and investing strategies. The rich understand the power of compound interest and take advantage of it by consistently saving and investing their money. They also look for ways to minimize expenses, whether it's through negotiating lower bills, cutting out unnecessary subscriptions, or finding creative ways to save on everyday expenses. Ultimately, strategic budgeting and financial planning are the cornerstones of wealth accumulation. It's not about luck or inheritance. It's about making smart decisions with your money and sticking to your plan, even when times get tough. So if you're serious about building wealth, take a page from the playbook of the rich and start budgeting, planning, and investing in your financial future today. As we wrap up, remember that wealth building is a journey, not a sprint. Implement these money secrets into your financial strategy and watch your wealth grow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content on mastering your finances.